Hey friends, this is Atif here, and welcome to the new update on Fantom coin. In my earlier video of Fantom coin, I was showing you that after breaking out a down channel, it formed another falling wedge pattern and also broke out that falling wedge pattern on the weekly time frame chart as well. And in today's video, we will once again take a look at this move, and I would also like to show you once again this breakout from this broadening wedge pattern as well. And I was also showing you this move in my previous video as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal of Fantom coin that I shared a few days back on 16th of March 2023 with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern that Fantom coin formed with Bitcoin pair on a daily time frame chart. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line is still moving inside this buying zone, and I'm expecting that soon it can start the next price reversal from here. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern on 18th of November 2022, and this pattern was also formed with Bitcoin pair on a 4-hour time frame chart. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started a very nice reversal from this buying zone, and this was by the way more than 46% pump on this 4-hour time frame chart. Now let me take you here on the weekly time frame chart, and here we can see that we had the formation of a very long-term down channel. And before the breakout, I have been telling you that we need to break out this downtrend line, long-term downtrend line resistance, in order to start a long-term move or rally to the upside. And you can see that we have broken out this resistance of the channel. After that, we formed another falling wedge pattern on the same weekly time frame chart, and we also broke out the resistance of that falling wedge pattern as well. And the target for this falling wedge pattern was here at the top of the wedge. That was approximately at 50 cents, and you can see that the price line has rallied up to 65.55 cents and also broke out this very long-term resistance that we have here at 42 cents. Previously, this level was working as a resistance here, as a resistance here, as a resistance here, and now after the breakout, you can see it is nicely flipped into a very strong support, and for the past several weeks you can see it is nicely accumulated above this resistance, and you can see it is not breaking it down. Therefore, now there is a probability that soon we may have another price reversal from here after this price accumulation, and we may try to break out the next resistance that we have here at 95 cents. And you can see on this long-term time frame, previously it was working as a resistance here, support here, and now it can again work as a strong resistance for the price line of Fantom coin. Now if we switch to the smaller time frame chart, then on the 4-hour time frame chart, we have already broken out this down channel, and after the breakout, the target was here at the top of the channel, that is approximately at 60 cents, but that move is still due because we also found another downtrend line resistance, and that was the resistance of this broadening wedge, a falling broadening wedge. And recently we have also broken out the resistance of this broadening wedge pattern as well. But the way the price line is getting accumulated here above the resistance of this broadening wedge, it is likely to find another resistance, and that is the same trend line but moving in a different way. You can see we got several ejections here, and now you can see that the price line is not able to break out this resistance of the same trend line. Therefore, we cannot ignore this resistance. Therefore, I'm just going to adjust this trend line, and you can see that here we have also found a support as well. That is, by the way, a horizontal support, and this is the formation of a descending triangle, and now we need to break out this descending triangle as well in order to continue its move to the upside. We have already broken out a very big falling wedge pattern. We have already broken out a very long-term resistance of 42 cents as well, and now we are having that level as a support. Therefore, there is a very high probability that soon we may also break out this resistance as well, and the target for this descending triangle will be here. That will be approximately at 51 to 52 cents, and in case of breaking down, the target to the downside will be approximately at 40 cents. In my point of view, after the breakout from this descending triangle, there will be a very high probability that soon the price line may also try to break out this long-term resistance of 95 cents as well. By the way, the final target for this huge down channel, that move is still due. That is here at the top of the channel. approximately from $3.50 to $4. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.